Flat batteries are the most common cause of breakdown, and one of the problems is the evaporation of the wet cell lead acid chemical, which then makes it struggle to hold charge. And in areas where the AC is used intensely, the battery connectors can become loose or corroded, and that then gives it a shorter lifespan. Adding to this are parasitic drains that can occur from increasing electrical add-ons it's already on standby from, which can also occur from defective fuses and poor installation. Batteries typically last 3 years in this climate, where the extreme temperatures can rob it from its starting power and cut its life short. Now, if you see yours is leaking, swollen or bloated, then call us urgently. When the engine doesn't run right, the root problem is normally a weak alternator or battery. Come in and our mechanics will test and clean your battery for free this summer.